Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and setting a single, focused goal, what you want Perplexity to produce and why. Once done, pick the response style and desired length so the system knows the format. Next, craft your first prompt with context, constraints, and a question. Include examples if needed. Do this now to avoid vague answers. This first actionable step steers results and saves time by making follow-ups precise and efficient. Once you have an initial answer, refine your prompt, tighten or expand context, ask for bullets, or request sources to improve usefulness. Make use of follow-up queries to drill into specifics and apply filters or citation options to verify claims. Also, organize useful outputs into folders or templates so you can reuse prompts. These middle steps convert raw answers into actionable material, and keep your workflow finalized by editing the returned content for tone, accuracy, and format, then export or copy it into your document or CMS. Make sure to verify any cited sources and adjust the prompt for gaps. If results are inconsistent, try refreshing the page, clearing cache, switching models, or reducing input complexity. These quick fixes resolve most problems. Finally, save the working prompt and settings so you can reproduce successful runs without rebuilding everything from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.